Hi friends, we picked up this T-post installer. It's basically a manual hammer that comes down on these T-posts to help install. I've got this little short one and it's actually doing a really good job even though the ground is super hard and tough to work with here at our cabin. This is actually working great. So basically you have the T-post and we're kind of putting a little fence around our solar array here. It's going to put this over top here and just going to kind of tap it at first to get it into the ground so that it's actually right. And then this is where we can now give it some force. There you go. You can see it takes a little bit of effort. I'm really kind of pushing down, but it does the trick. And this is really, really budget friendly compared to some of the other, big box stores that we looked at. So anyway, definitely check this out. You can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below.